All right, now let's go into our reversible motor control construction. Now, for every aspect of control or automation, you have a process guiding that particular section. Now, your structural work of reversible, like your panel, the construction of your panel, there is also a concept you must follow. Now, the construction, remember that this is an enclosure and you have to purchase the panel. Now, how do you specify the size of panel that is required to accommodate your component? You must carry out a little adjustment and a calculation. Let's do that now. I'll teach you two format. This is my component, this is my breaker, um, this is another breaker. This contactor, all of them must be closely lapped this way. So the format or the method number one, you have to lay them according to the way they will appear, right? This one is to be here. Okay. Now, this is another overload. This is another overload. If you have a space constraint, please take note about this. If you have a space constraint, you can substitute this with this. They are the same thing. This one is even better. This one you can operate, you can on and off from here. You can also rotate the motor and trip. It has also a range, a knob to set. If you have a space constraint, you can take away this and replace with this. Let me make the placement so that you see the best suited placement. You know the one to choose. Now look at my placement here. Okay, this one come closer. Now this one come closer. This one come closer. Now this is my placement for my structural work. Now if I want to trunk, if I want to put my trunk in, take this down. I want to put my trunk in. For instance, I have a trunk in like this to trunk. To trunk this way. And I have another trunk coming this way, for instance. I know I'll put it here. Okay, let me take adjustment. Just take note about what I'm doing. Now, the horizontal trunking, how is it going to be? Let me copy this so that you see when you are doing your construction, you choose, I copy this. I have to copy this. I don't want to. Okay, I can create another one. Okay, let me see if I can create another trunking. For instance, I want to trunk here. You see that my trunking is not aligning with this guy. So I get to have another trunking again, or I have to extend. I have to introduce another trunking. So this is the format I will follow to make my trunking. Then I also do something like that. Right? You see the design. Now, if you don't want this type of design, you have to take away all this and take away all this. Then take away this and replace with this. Replace it with this. So with that now, your trunking will be horizontal, horizontal, and will be well aligned, right? Okay, so however you want to choose, your design is your creativity. Your design comes from your creativity. However you want to choose to use your overload, your placement is solely your creativity, how you decide to beautify your structural work. One, that is one concept. Then the second concept is to determine the dimensions. So let me show you how to determine your dimensions.